So I got this 181 stereo. It didn't come with the leads that you normally get. So I've ordered GPS from eBay, it's like $22. Reverse camera cable from eBay, it's about $4. The antenna is about $9, but I couldn't find a connector that does your reverse trigger. It's a 26 pin, I think it is. Of course, I couldn't find a connector for that, so what I did is I went to JCar Electronics and bought lead linker 200mm. It's a 4-pin Moxa cable. Pull this one out. So it's got two ends on it like that. It was joined, I've cut it. And all I've done is I've shaved off with a Stanley knife that front bit there, the back bit there, and the two little lips that were on this side actually, so that it's nice and thin. And then on the 26-pin connector, you see those 3 black lines there? That's for your steering wheel control. So it is, they are the pin numbers from the right hand side: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 6 is black, 7 is white, and 8 is red. So once you've done that, you see on these connectors you've got the you can see the actual connector where you push in to pull them out. You want to plug that in so that that side is facing this side of the connector, so that it doesn't short out on the other side. And that will just plug in. It's difficult with one hand, but that'll plug in on those 3 connectors there, and you'll have one spare. Then what I did on the other end of that is the other 4. I just got my side cutters, cut down the middle there, split it in 2, trim them up like I did this one, took all the extra bits off and chucked one in the terminal there for the vehicle speed sensor, which is, that was 8 from the right, 9, 10, 11, 12 from the right on the bottom row. That's your vehicle speed sensor. And then the other one is the reverse trigger, which is on the top row, 2 from the left. That's your reverse trigger. And what I did was, you'll see I've pushed them in there, and the spare one that's not used, I've just taped them up. I'll put this one back in. It should go in fairly simple. It's easy with 2 hands, but there you go, it's in there. I had to stop recording and do it with 2 hands. But you'll see that's plugged in, and that'll have a spare wire as well, and that'll give me my steering wheel controls: black, white, red, not connected. Vehicle speed sensor, which will go to the purple or the violet and white, and a reverse trigger. Steering wheel control, the black, white and red. And that should be ready to throw into the Toyota. So those will do your normal Toyota connectors: speakers, power, antenna, illumination from your headlights, reverse camera cable when that comes, GPS and adapter for your antenna, and she'll work beautifully.